We guide you through how to back up your Android phone to your PC. So the first thing you need to do is to connect your Android device to your computer using a USB cable, then unlock your phone and select File Transfer or MTP from the notification panel so your PC can access your files. Next, open this PC on your computer and click your device name to view internal storage. From here, you can manually copy important folder like DCIM for photos, pictures, video, music, and documents. Just drag and drop them into a folder on your PC to start the backup. For contacts and other data, make sure your Google account sync and turn on by going to Settings, Accounts, then Google, and enabling sync for contacts, calendar, and Drive. If you want a full backup, you can also use Android backup tools like manufacturer software or third-party apps, but for a quick method, manual copy works best. Once everything's copied, safely eject your device from the PC before unplugging to avoid file corruption.